Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So today we're opening up something brand new to our channel and I'm super excited. This is called the Beach Box. And if you do not know, I live in Florida and I love the beach. It's nearby. You might not be able to tell with my complexion, but I do enjoy being by the water. And I'm super excited to see what this box is all about. On the box it says, the monthly subscription box inspired by the sea. So I bet there's some beautiful, awesome things. I mean, the box itself is so cute. But before we get started, I just want to remind you all that I have a giveaway ending today. I apologize. In a few previous videos I said my giveaway ends the 7th, but I announced the winner the 7th. My giveaway ends tonight, 11:59 Eastern Standard Time, PM obviously. And yeah, it's Open International. It's my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Definitely enter if you have not yet already. I will leave that down below. We also have another giveaway going on with Yod, so check that out too if you have not yet entered. But anyways, before we get unboxing the Beach Box, let's pull up the website and see what it's all about. Whenever we have a new box on our channel, I like to provide a little bit of information because it's new to me and it may be new to you as well. So the Beach Box is available on Cratejoy, which I think is a huge plus. Love that. And it says, travel to a new beach monthly with fun coastal accessories, decor, bath goods, and a sweet treat. Yum. So plans start as low as $34.99 per month, and it does ship worldwide from the US, so that is awesome. So everyone can get it if they desire. It says, the Beach Lover's Dream Box. Each month, the Beach Box features a new beach that inspires the carefully curated goods in your box. You will find a combination of 5 to 6 high-quality, fun, and classy products centered around the featured beach. Every box also includes a bonus sweet treat, or 2 or 3, to enjoy while you open your box. Expect 5 to 6 fun and classy coastal accessories, jewelry, home decor, bath goods, and or drinkware. A bonus fun sweet treat in every box. Very sad. There's a $75 or more value in each box, and it makes a great gift. So I think that gives us a good overview. We got pricing and learned a little bit more about what it is. So now let's see what is in the July box. I am so excited. I think I've showed you like 4 times, but I think this box is so cute. Definitely gives the beach vibe. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Literally right as I started doing my hair, just already falling out. I need to learn how to curl my hair. Anything fine-haired ladies out there have any tips for men? But yeah, it started raining and I'm going out to lunch after I film this, and of course it's probably gonna get ruined, but it's okay. Ooh, so this is what it looks like this month. And on top it says, welcome to Huntington Beach, California. Known for its great surfing waves, expansive sands, and spectacular 4th of July parade and fireworks display. So there is the picture, and on the back it says, the Beach Box, July 2019, learn more about your box, and it gives some information on the items inside. I love information cards, so I will keep this nearby to reference throughout the unboxing. And then everything else is underneath this tissue that has a sticker that says enjoy. So let's get inside. Oh, the first thing I see, so cute. So this is a lip balm, and it has one of those cute like lip balm holders, so you can put this in your bag or wherever you wish, so you can get easy access. And it's like a little mermaid tail or like a fish tail. This is so cute. I love the colors. I love blue. It's like one of my favorites. I just love like sea colors. I love this box already. I'm getting ahead of myself, but I just love the sea, okay? So this says Amber Blue Watermelon Taffy Natural Lip Balm. Awesome. This seems like it smells like really good. Let's see. Watermelon. Oh my god, it smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. It smells so good. And this is probably the cutest lip balm carrier I've gotten. I've gotten a few in the past now. I think I have like 3 or 4. So I think this is the cutest I've seen. Oh, and this must be our sweet treat. How adorable is this? This is a sucker. That looks like there's a little boat on it. So cute. Adorable. And then we have this hair tie that is so beautiful. There's a starfish on it. By the way, my nails are getting really bad. I am hoping after lunch today to go to the nail salon. I said that yesterday to myself too and I didn't go. But I'm gonna try really hard today. But this is so pretty. So this is by Garbo, the plastic hair tie. It says Parade Street products. So let's see if it has any more information in here. It says, toss your boring hair ties to the side. This cute starfish hair tie will complete all of your summer outfits. $4 retail value. This is seriously so cute, and I do pull my hair up pretty often, especially in the summer since it's so hot here. What is this? This is so pretty. Is this a necklace? Look at these colors. Doesn't that remind you of like totally like a sea-inspired scheme? Oh my god, I love it. And the top is like gold. Let's see, what is this? I'm pretty sure it is a necklace. Yeah, the Faceted glass bead necklace is shimmery as the ocean water. These necklaces will add a little fun to your summer outfits. They also make for a cute wraparound bracelet since they are fantastically stretchy. This is a $17 value. This is so pretty. Like, isn't this so cute? I might have to put this on. Adorable. I love the colors so much. So pretty. Let's see what's next. And this is what I first saw and I was super excited about. I like need more decor in my place, and any sea-inspired decor is perfect for Florida, right? So this says bathing suits, not snowsuits. This is by Primitives by Kathy. And it was made in May. I love how they give the information, but isn't this so cute for Florida? I feel like this is such a Florida thing. Bathing suits, not snowsuits. Yeah, no snowsuits here. So let's see what it says about this. Summer, wait. Oh, so you can put a photo on the top. See that? Here. Can you see that? I guess you can put a photo there. That is so cute. So it says, display your latest beach photo in the Summer Mindset photo block. The red, white, and blue colors are perfect to display alongside your other July decor, $9 retail value. And it talks about the Ocean Waves keychain and water taffy lip balm, which I forgot to read. It says, this cute shaped keychain will help carry your delightfully hydrating and all natural watermelon taffy lip balm wherever you wander. It has a $10 retail value and is by AmberBlueAvenue.com. That's so cool that you can put a photo in here. I'm even more excited about it now. There's a little mint, nice. Oh my god, I need one of these. I've been in need of a wallet. This is like a big wallet. And look how cute it is. It's totally beach inspired. I love how they keep with their theme. But look, there's like 2 zippers. The front and back, I think they look the same, right? Yeah, so they have the same pattern on both sides, and they have 2 compartments, and there is the option to add some straps if you want to make this like a crossbody bag. So here is one side. Awesome. This I'll probably use when I'm using a bigger bag because I only have like a really small wallet now. Oh, and here's the straps. You can make it into a purse. And this is like good quality too. So on the top, this is the pattern, and then it's gold, and these just hook on there if you want to wear it as a bag because it is big enough to do so. But the other component looks the same, so there's like little slots for your wallets as well as like checkbook, whatever you want. You can put like your lipstick in there, whatever. You can fit a good amount in here, your phone. I love it, there's 2 compartments. This is so cute. Yeah, my wallet I have now is falling apart. I really like this. So let's read about it. The Beach Scene Double Zip Crossbody Wallet. Carry around the Huntington Beach surfing mindset wherever you go this summer with this spacious wallet. Featuring a detachable strap, this wallet can be carried on your shoulder or simply slipped into your purse. $35 retail value. And I think that's everything. Let me double check. Yep, so that is everything that came in our box. So I'm just gonna add up the total since we have pricing information available and see what the total value is of this box. So I have the total retail value being about $66, and then we have those bonus treats, and again, this is like $35. So the this is pretty big. The big wallet is this price of the box. So you get this, and then everything else is like an extra bonus. I love this. I'm gonna put this somewhere downstairs. I don't know what photo I'm gonna put in it yet, but I'll find something. This is adorable. Love lip balm too. This sucker is so cute. I have like a little display downstairs with all the suckers I've been getting there, and when people come over they like to try it out. And I think the necklace is beautiful. I need to put this on, unwrap it and put it on. And the hair tie, I think this will definitely like be nice for a night out when you want your hair up because it's so freaking hot in the summer. This will come in handy, and it's so adorable. So I think this is super cute. I love how it all stayed in theme with the beach. I think it was really fun that they like structured it around Huntington Beach, California. I've never been there before, but it looks beautiful. So yeah, I think this is a good box. You guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Do you guys get this box? Would you get this box? Do you want it? Is it on your wish list? Leave a comment. I love talking to you guys. But anyways, I hope you're having an amazing day. I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to enter my giveaway if you have not yet. They will all be down below along with a link to this box. All right, bye guys.